This video is covering misapplied payments, how to fix them. Let's take a look. I'm going to start in customers and we'll show you how this problem starts and then how to fix it. So I'm just picking a customer here. And let's go back and look. Let's say this payment here, or this invoice for $459, you can see that it was partially paid. So they paid $220 on it. There's $239 due. Let's say that actually that payment was misapplied. And there should be another payment. So whether that payment is already present or you need to create it, let's just go ahead and do that. So we want to, make it go to undeposited funds. So let's say that there's a payment for the whole amount. And this is part of the problem. Sometimes people don't notice that payments automatically apply to invoices, automatically check them. In fact, I think that might be a option that we can turn off. Let's take a look. No, I see automatically apply bill payments, but not sales payments received. Nope, I don't see that. Okay, so we uncheck that, and so now there's nothing, it's not applied to anything. It's going to save as a credit because it's not applied to an invoice. That's fine, we know that. So what we need to do though, if this one is misapplied, is we need to go in here and go to the payment. Okay, and uncheck it for the invoice. Right, you can see how that could have happened. Someone's entering the payment, it automatically checks it. So now we're going to save and close. Go back. Okay, so now we have our unapplied payment and we have our open invoice. Piece of cake. Now we just need to receive the payment to the right invoice, pays the invoice in full. We don't want any credits there. And save and close. So now we have our payment of $459 applied to the, where's that invoice? Yep, this invoice, and it's paid. That's how you fix it. It's a matter of creating a payment if needed. And in either case, you're unlinking it from one invoice and linking it to the other.